Hey guys, welcome back to episode 2 of Deficit Diaries. I have lost 23 kilos and I wanted to document the rest of my weight loss journey. Today's video is going to be behind the scenes footage of what a typical weekend looks like with the Run Club. I just wanted to share some behind the scenes footage. We've been doing a lot of exciting things. What I eat in a day, meals that I've been repeating throughout the week because I do tend to eat the same thing. A little insight into my life, so I hope you guys enjoy. The breakfast that I'm about to have, I eat this every single morning. It's like an egg wrap with lean beef mince and then I add whatever toppings. Basically, the recipe is inspired by a Big Mac from McDonald's because it has like cheese, it has the special sauce, it has pickles. It tastes like a Big Mac, guys. It's so good. Let the egg spread a little bit. While that's cooking, I'm gonna make myself a protein iced coffee. I want to show you guys, this is my boot. I was just thinking about my life. I just got so happy because I just have access to healthy food, have access to gym, have access to Pilates and having a fitness community. Well, like every time we have the event every week, like I'm so excited to go, and afterwards I feel so good. Like when there's no community, you gotta build it. Okay, you gotta build it brick by brick. I feel like that's what we're doing with the Run Club. Wherever you guys live, honestly, like take this as a sign to go and join some kind of fitness community, some kind of running, walking, gym, Pilates, whatever it is. Like just join some kind of movement community. It's just women's only club, so anyone comes. Like we're all there for fitness, we're all there for health. We all look so different, but we have a lot in common. It's really nice. I love it. I love the Run Club. I'm so happy about it. Like I'm just, alhamdulillah, mashallah, Allahumma barik. I think this is my source of happiness right now. It's the coffee with the egg and the lean beef. That meal was 30 grams of protein, and then the drink that I had, the protein iced coffee that I had, the protein itself had 30 grams of protein. So I just had 60 grams of protein for only 600 calories. Clock it. For reasons, it's only because you ain't here. I can feel it in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all wet. I don't even care as long as you're right here, laying in my bed. I forget what everyone said. I want it. I couldn't care less as long as you're a true leader, then I'll oblige, promise to please you. That if you're open, hey guys, so we just finished the Pilates class. Alright, we're here at the beach. We just finished the Pilates class. Thanks. And I decided to go out swinging. I have finished cleaning my room, and then I showered and I got ready, did my skincare, and I'm about to go for a walk. I'm just having my coffee while they wait. So every single dollar and your last few cents that I will do. And I mean it. Tell me where do we thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what videos you guys want to see next. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in episode 3. Bye.